it's Leslie Meredith from Breakbulk Events and Media. I'm here in Shanghai, joined by Diana from Chapman Freeborn. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, so tell us what's going on with Chapman Freeborn here in the Asia market.
Yeah, Asia market, we're doing pretty much ad hoc charters and also some scheduled commercial charters. We are specializing in the ad hoc air charter. So
What does that mean, ad hoc?
it means that's the reason that we're participating in this exhibition, because most of the oversized cargo will be moved by the sea freight. But sometimes when it's in urgent need for an overseas project, the shipper would require an air transport, and that's where we would step in and we provide an air charter solution for them to move the oversized cargo in a special aircraft.
So if that happens, so it's very time sensitive on a
Yes.
project.
Yes.
How long does it take you to turn that request into a transport?
Minimum, it depends on different arrangement, on the traffic rights application, a lot of arrangement involved. But minimum, it will require about 3 to 5 days. That
Very fast.
Very fast, yeah. But normally it would require about 10 days. Yeah, but it's also very fast comparing to sea freight. So it meets the demands from the customer.
What kinds of cargoes have you transported recently?
Last year we have transported generators and transformers as well, and also the long pipes for the oil fields.
Now, how would that be sort of an emergency or expedited situation, the pipes?
The pipes usually, because the overseas in the oil fields, sometimes their equipment has a broken part. If they stop the working, it will be millions of dollars loss. So they urgently need a repair part, and in that case, we would use an air charter to send the cargo in about 5 days so that they can fix it and get on the working very quickly.
All right. What parts of the world are you flying to?
Everywhere. So A to B, anywhere basically in the world. We have offices around the globe with about 33 offices. We're covering Africa, mostly in Europe and America and South America, Southeast Asia, and of course Asia. So.
Okay. And now, what about when you have a request that needs a piece in a more remote location where there's not an airport? How is that handled?
Well, in that case, of course, we have to choose a city where there is an airport suitable to land such aircraft. So, but we can arrange ground transportation as well, because we have local offices and they have local connections to the local agents, and they can arrange the ground transport very fast to connect the charter and send it to the final destination.
That's very efficient.
Yes, that's what we do to tailor-made special solutions.
What's the most unusual piece of cargo that you've transported?
Sorry?
The most unusual piece or the most unusual transport?
I think most of the cargo that we transport are special and unusual. Otherwise, they won't charter an aircraft because it's really high cost. Usually, we transport a Christmas tree.
Oh,
Was
it really big?
It sounds interesting, but it's not actually a Christmas tree. It's used in the oil field for oil piping.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a kind of part of the machine of the oil piping system.
All right. Okay, and how has your exhibiting experience at Breakbulk helped your business?
We have developed many customers on this event. I think in 2014, in a single year, we have around 5 customers have gone with us on the charters. Just we obtained contacts from the exhibition and we developed offline, and then we get business running. That's very efficient, and this is a very professional show. So we get very good quality contacts.
Excellent. And have you met contacts throughout Asia, or what have you experienced?
Yes, mostly in China actually, all the contacts, but they do international links, so that's enough. We also do the business for overseas destinations.
Okay, great. So I understand that you'll be joining us, Chapman Freeborn will be joining us in Bremen.
I think so. Yes, we actually exhibit every year in Breakbulk.
Well, we're delighted to have you, and thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Thank you very much.
All
And we
right.
love this show. Thank you.
Good.